Good afternoon, guys. I thought before we're actually gonna go and travel again, I'm gonna show you the inside of one of those typical Victorian houses that you find everywhere in London. Alright, so we're gonna start the tour here. This is the very first room. Don't be shocked. This is normally our living room. Right now it's more storage because one of our housemates got stuck in New Zealand, so we're gonna send over all her stuff, her bicycle as well, and that's why it's so messy in here right now. Other than that, normally we would have this couch, obviously it would be here. We have the couch here, and all this stuff is gone. So normally it obviously looks much nicer. We have a little fireplace back here as well. Show you. So obviously just with candles it doesn't really work. This is a little tent for the cat. This was our little Christmas tree that we still need to plant outside in the garden once it's not freezing anymore. Yeah, other than that, this is also currently my home office, as you can see. So my laptop's here from work. I use this as storage room as well, so it's kind of like my warehouse for my online shop. So here is the stuff I send out. Here I'm just making thank you cards. This was full of books, but they all belong to the girl from New Zealand, so this is why it's empty. And then there's other stuff that I send out. Yeah, so this is the first room, the living room. Obviously, seriously, normally it looks much more comfortable, but unfortunately I had to film this today while my housemates are all out. So I apologize. Usually it looks nicer, but yeah, so just so you know, we do have a living room. This here is my room. We're gonna have a look at it in the end. So then we have those secret doors here. Show you what's behind it. So this one is simply all the tools and stuff. So if we need anything, that would be in here. Yeah, so nothing too exciting. Then behind the second secret door is where we keep all the cleaning stuff for the cleaning lady. So when she comes every 2 weeks, this is where she finds the stuff. So then this one is the first. It's a half bathroom, just a small one with a sink, toilet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. So I use this as my bathroom basically, because yeah, as I said, my room is here, bathroom is here. All the other bedrooms are upstairs. So yeah, it's kind of convenient for me to use that one. Then this is our kitchen. As you can see, it's really, really spacious. Looks like one of my housemates. Or there's a HelloFresh. Yeah, so one of my housemates just got HelloFresh delivered. All right, let's turn on the lights. So we do have a lot of cookbooks here. This is the cat buffet. So we do have a part-time cat, I would call it. It's actually the neighbor's, but he comes and we feed him. So we love him. His name is Frankie. So this is our kitchen. We do have all the appliances you could ever need. Everything: microwave, sandwich toaster, air fryer, juicer, kettle, everything. So yeah. And then everyone has each housemate has one of those cupboards. So where we keep our personal stuff. We obviously have a washing machine and a dryer back here. Yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen. You have a nice view into the garden. I'll show you in a second. When you do your dishes, it's a little bit of green. It's nice. I mean, to be fair, it looks a little bit messy because no one's really doing anything with it. But still, it's nice and green. So yeah, this is our kitchen. We have, I mean, I can show you. We really have everything in here, like pots, pans, there's definitely no lack on anything in here. Fridge, freezer, and then everybody has their own shelf here while we keep our food. So, I'll take you to the garden. So that's how it looks like. It's also a little bit messy, but that's how it is in those share houses, right? So your neighbors, hello neighbors, and then I'll just take you into, oh look at that, spring is coming out here, starts to bloom. So this is our garden. In theory we could sit here if the weather is nice. It's actually nice today. It's like, I don't know, I'm just wearing a tank top. It's 15 degrees or something. It's okay. So this is our garden. Ooh. Okay, so this is supposed to be a squirrel feeder, but yeah, the pigeon always comes and eats all the stuff. We also have a bird feeder here. Yeah, the roses came out already. So I actually like this here. I like, what's that called? Ivy that goes up the wall, because everybody else is staring on like blank walls, right? See? But we have this here. I think that's nice. So yeah, that's our garden. A little bit of a mess, as I said, but to be fair, the neighbor's garden isn't better. At least ours is green, right? So that's nice, especially in a city like London, you know. It's nice to have your own little green space. Also during the lockdown, it's nice that you can step outside, do some exercise out there. And yeah, it's just, as I said, it's lovely to just look outside, see some green, right? So, okay, that was the kitchen. So kitchen, the living room, and the first bathroom. And now I'm gonna take you upstairs. So this one is actually an empty bedroom that we, let me step outside of this mirror, that we use as storage. So the landlord doesn't want to rent it out. Apparently he uses this when he comes and visits, but never happened so far. So we just store all the old ugly furniture in there, and suitcases and all the big stuff, you know, that you just want to get out of your room. So then if you would live here, you would have like a nice walk-in wardrobe and your own bathroom. So this is actually the only room in the house that comes with an ensuite bathroom. So let's go back outside. I'll show you the rest of the house. Sorry, you must think our house is so messy because all the stuff is everywhere, but as I said, this room, usually no one uses this room, so the door is closed. And the living room is hopefully going to change soon, so as soon as this is shipped to New Zealand. So this is the room of one of my housemates. There is another housemate's room. He's currently in Spain, so he's a little bit stuck there. Then we have the third housemate up here, and this is our common bathroom that we share. Obviously, toilet, sink, and bathtub, and a shower, and a nice view into the neighbor's garden. Here we go. Yeah. So, and that's pretty much the inside of one of those standard British houses. I hope you liked that little tour. You've seen it all. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe as always. And then I'll see you in the next video. Oh no, wait. I totally forgot. I wanted to show you my own room. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe still. Okay, so here's my room. I totally forgot about that. That's the most important bit of the video, right? Because you wanted to see what you get here for the price of £655. So this is my room. my bed. And I have a little screen up there so I can watch movies. This is my view out of my room into the garden. I have a shelf which I actually built myself, so that was only like the frame and I built the shelf. So with all my stuff in here. I have a little fireplace as well. So all the rooms have a little fireplace that you can't actually use. So I put like those electric candles in there. Then in here, I have some more storage. There's like a shelf behind there so I can store all my stuff. This here is my wardrobe. This is the ring light I usually use to film my YouTube videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now that was it. For real. So this is my room. And yeah, as I said before, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.